Hey guys, my name is Sean Nichols, AeroX Technologies. Today we're on site with ProTech Precision here in Barrie, Ontario. We're showing you guys how to service one of our older ROX units. Not only was this sold and serviced by Ferrotech back in 2014, but this unit has never seen service yet, it's still operating. So today we're going to take a look into it and show you guys how it's done. Another mist collector serviced by AeroX Technologies today. 8 years since last service, and we're going to see at least 8 to 20 more.